What is Thunkable software? Thunkable is a powerful, cloud-based software platform for developing mobile apps. It provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that allows users to quickly and easily create native mobile apps for Android and iOS devices. With Thunkable, users can create custom designs and user interfaces, access powerful APIs, and add advanced features like analytics, security, notifications, and more. Thunkable also offers additional services such as app testing and code optimization to ensure your app runs smoothly on all devices. Thunkable is a great platform for any level of developer, from beginner to professional, who wants to create beautiful, functional mobile apps with minimal effort. Thunkable is an example of which type of software. Thunkable is a cloud-based platform for building mobile applications for Android and iOS devices. It is a type of software that is known as a mobile app builder or a drag-and-drop app builder. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to create mobile apps without the need to write code. Instead, users can use pre-built blocks or components to build their app and then customize it using visual design tools. Thunkable is typically used by individuals or small businesses who want to create their own mobile apps but do not have the technical skills or resources to write code.